Hi, welcome to another Miss T Ideas. And today, welcome to my channel. First of all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad to have you here. If you've been rocking with me the whole time, welcome back. Today, I'm gonna do it's already unboxed, but it's brand new. I took it out the box a few minutes ago. Show you how easy it is to work this label maker I have. It's the Niimbot. Is that the way you say it? Niimbot? Okay, smart label printer. My daughter bought me this label printer, and I didn't want to learn how to operate it. You know, we have so many things that, we have to hook up to our phone and the computers and this and that and that and this and download this, download that, upload this, upload that. Okay, so I was sleeping on this little printer, y'all. It don't take ink, and it came with a roll of paper. Let me show you what it came with. And I can be a little spoiled that way, and want my kids to tell me how it worked. But no, nobody did. She bought me this. She left it here, and that was it. I've been having this, y'all. This is a shame, but I'm fixing to put it to good use. I've been having this. Oh my God. Can I say a couple of months? Y'all know, I did a video that I had this thing here. Yeah. And I haven't touched it. It's my first time touching it like that. Open it up. I downloaded what needed to be downloaded. And this is what happened. Okay. To open it, you do like this and it snaps open. This is the paper. And the paper fits in here like this. And they didn't give me but one little thing of paper. Okay? It fits in here like this. This here thing might be closed, okay? So it's gonna be up here. It might be closed, so you just open it. And you take the paper and you put the paper with the open side up. And close it. Yeah, like that. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. And it's so simple. I seen some videos on it and some shorts. And yeah, it's really simple. Okay, I've turned it on. What I had to do was, I had to get my phone out. And I had to go to my Google Play Store. You gotta, this, I don't have an iPhone, I have an Android. So I go to Google Play and I downloaded the app, the Niimbot app. Niimbot is a Niimbot 21. I think it's a B21. I downloaded that, and you have to log in or add it to the rest of your stuff that you got on there on your computer. And I did that, and from there, it opened up, the app opened up with a magazine of some of the templates, the free templates that they have. And I was playing with some. It has a free template on here. So of course I'm gonna make my name, did my name. I even tried a picture, cause you can do pictures too. But the pictures, yeah, you can do pictures too. And I tried this one with me and the motorcycle, and this one right here. So I was just playing around with that. And I tried to take a picture that could come out okay, because look at that one. So yeah, and it have free templates. Of course, the better templates you may have to buy. But what I saw in the magazine, the free templates, I'm good with that. I can make some cards with my name on it. You know, I can make some my name to go in Happy Mail. I could make uh, a little thank you thing or whatever. And I can get I also can make some papers, with stuff on it. Um, I could draw hard. I could draw little things. They got little things that it offer. And y'all, this here is no ink involved. That's strange to me, huh? There's no ink involved, and you can print. You can print, or you can take pictures. I want to find some pictures of some birds. I like birds. I like the state birds. Different states. I like the birds. So I want to find me some bird pictures. Now I can go. I haven't went in depth with it. I just got me some pictures. Got my name. That was already on my computer. And of course, the first thing we're gonna try to make our name. What else? Who's writing something? We write our name. Who's typing something? So anyway, this here, it goes to your pictures. It take pictures. It make labels, and you can make the template big or small. But you got to stay in that. You got to stay in that. Let me see. Let me tear a piece of this off of here. Let me cut it. I'm gonna cut it. And I know it might not be. It may be crooked and stuff like that. But I was just playing around with it. I'll make something that's better. Yeah, I was just playing around. Let me see. Take this right here. I'm gonna put it on something. Let's see. Look, y'all. Okay, and that's what I did. It was off. Now it's off. Right here is a charger where you charge it, and it comes with a charger. It comes with one too. You put it in there and you charge it. And right here, you open it. That's it. That's it. Open it from right on the side. You charge it from right there. You turn it on from right here. The light come on. Put your paper upright like this. Turn this on. Gotta hold it long enough. And it sets the paper itself. So you just put the paper in it. It sets the paper. Oh, where did the paper go? Let me see. Okay. Okay. What's going on? Okay. Now, to print from the phone. Yeah, I was looking at it to see where I print from. I print from off the phone. I just want to say this is very easy. This is very, very easy. And it's called a smart label printer. Niimbot smart label. It is. It's smart. I think it's fantastic. I go to my app. I go. And this is where it opens up to a catalog with templates. And it have some starter templates in here too. So let's see. Okay. I'm gonna make my name again. I'm gonna see if I can make my name again, okay? Let me see. Where did I go to the saved stuff? Okay. I just printed it, y'all. You do all the wheeling and dealing from your phone, and then you can save whatever you made. If you make something nice, see this is just me playing around trying to get the feel of it. But if I make something nice, I can save it and print it. And it got a header where you can date your template that you've been using, and just like you save anything, you save videos, just like you just save it. And to use it again if you like it, So, well, that's what I want to get on here and show you this thing here. This Niimbot smart label printer. Yeah, it does what it says it's going to do. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the best, I would say, oh wow, it's fantastic. It's fantastic. I would say a 9.5. For my first time opening it and touching it. Yeah. So, this is Miss T Ideas. I'm done with this video. If you see anything of value, I'm just tongue-tied. If you see anything of value on my videos, please decide to like and subscribe. I appreciate it. It helps the algorithm. And yeah, all of that good stuff. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.